Adaptations of animals to movement. A common characteristic of all animals is that they move. This characteristic is also known as locomotion. The body structures of different animals are adapted to their type of movement. Movement in animals enables them to search for food and shelter, escape from danger, search for favorable environmental conditions, seek mates and reproduce, migrate. Different animals move in different ways depending on the environment it lives in. Some modes of movement include walking, flying, crawling, hopping or leaping, gliding, swimming. Adaptation to flying. Birds, insects and some animals such as bats fly. Animals that fly are adapted to flying in various ways. These ways include adapted wings, streamlined bodies, light bodies, flat tails. Adapted wings. Birds, insects and bats have wings. When the wings are outstretched, the animal is able to move forward through the air. When flying, animals are able to spread their wings, bend them sometimes, and also move them up and down. In this way, the animal is able to lift its body up and remain airborne for a long period. If you watch birds as they fly, you observe that sometimes they flap their wings. At other times the birds just glide through air without flapping the wings. The wings remain stationary just like the wings of an airplane. Light bodies. Birds also have light bodies. Their bones are hollow because they have no marrow. This makes the bird very light. Streamlined bodies. The body of a bird is streamlined. This means that its shape naturally allows it to move quickly, smoothly and easily through air. The streamlined shape reduces the resistance to movement between the body surface and the air. Flat tails. Birds also have flat tails which they use as brakes in movement. They also use them for turning. Bats, ducks, ostrich. Bats do not have feathers but hair. The wing is an extended thin skin from the forelimbs to the hind limbs. Some birds do not fly such as ducks and ostriches although they have wings. They have bone marrow. This makes them heavy. An ostrich has strong feet that are adapted for running. Adaptation to hopping and leaping. Some animals like frogs and kangaroos move by hopping and leaping. Some insects that move by hopping and leaping are, for example, grasshopper, fleas, cockroaches and bedbugs. Adaptations to swimming. Fins. Some animals are adapted to swimming and have fins. Fish have several fins. The fins are located on various sides of the body. Streamlined bodies. Just like birds, animals adapted to swimming have streamlined bodies. This means that their shape naturally allows them to move quickly, smoothly and easily through water. The streamlined shape reduces the resistance to movement between the body surface and the water. The scales of a fish point backwards and they are covered with a layer of mucus. This also helps to minimize resistance between the water and the body surface. Webbed feet. Some animals adapted to swimming have webbed feet. Ducks, seagulls, flamingos and frogs have webbed feet. These allow them to swim easily in water. Thank you for watching this lesson. We hope you now have a good understanding of the various adaptations of animals to movement. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and other Genius channels relevant to your level of study.